Hey everyone! Today, in this video, you'll learn how to hide your Instagram chats without actually deleting them. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Instagram on your mobile device. Once you are in, click on the profile at the bottom right corner, and then click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now, in the menu, click on the Settings and Privacy. After that, click on the Business Tools and Controls. Now, make sure you have switched to the professional account. Once you've successfully switched to a professional account, head over to your Instagram messages or DMs. Here, you'll notice 3 tabs: the Primary tab, the General tab, and Message Requests. Let's say you want to hide conversations from the Primary and General tabs. Simply swipe over the chat you want to hide from right to left. Once the options appear, click on General. Repeat this process for any other chats you want to keep under wraps. Now, if you exit the messages and open them again, you'll see that those chats are no longer visible. They are effectively hidden. But what if you want to bring those messages back? Well, it's just as easy. Navigate to the General tab. Here, you'll find all your hidden chats. Swipe over the chat you want to unhide and click on Primary or the tab where you originally hid it. Voila! Your messages are back. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.